ViralStreet AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this software called ViralStreet AI. So right now we are on a sales page. And how do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab ViralStreet AI copy here. Click on that link and that will take you to the sales page where you can use the coupon code UGC3 to get $3 discount. Let me just confirm that. So let's see. Yeah, it says Street 3. So try to use all the coupon codes which you see on your screen. Try Street 3 for $3 discount and also try UGC3. Maybe I don't know which one will work, but try at least Street 3 and that should give you $3 off, okay? Right, so on the sales page, what do we have? Build unlimited AI videos that go viral, and this is world's first AI, this and that. And then you can click on demo video to watch the demo video. I'll show you the demo video here as well in a moment, so just bear with me. And then let's play the videos. You can see these sample videos on the sales page. You can play them. These are the AI videos which you can generate using this software. And let's get to the bottom. So let's see if we have some question answers. We were supposed to have, yes. So do I need any video or editing experience? So you don't. Do I need a camera, mic, or studio? You don't. Will the AI people voices actually look and sound real? Yes, they will. Can I really sell the videos? You can. What formats can I actually make? You can make street interviews, two-person podcast, stand-up comedy clips. You can make all sorts of fake AI videos. Does this work on Mac and PC? It does. Will I have to pay any monthly fees? No, not now. Not now. Okay. Are there any hidden credit? No, no credits as per their claim. So you can use it as much you like as per them. What if I'm not happy? They have 30 days, something, something. How fast will I get access? Instant. So let's go and watch the demo video. You will find the demo video somewhere on sales page as well. So when you go below my video, when you go below my video, click on the link under the sales page. Then scroll down and somewhere halfway through when you click here, you will find this demo video. Okay, so I'm going to show you the glimpses of the software in the demo video here. So once you're logged in, then what do we have? Let's create the street interview. Okay, so this is a 5 minutes long video, so I'm not going to show you everything. I will show you the end product, the final product only. So this is your final product, creating or generating the video, and this is it. So you can create these kind of fake AI videos in which he's asking, would you like $1 million or true love? So she's saying, I want $1 million and then I can buy all the true love. So you can create these videos. And second thing is, I guess you have some images. So you can upload even your own image and you can convert those images into some fake podcast, just like this, as you can see. So some fake images, fake humans doing podcasts. By the way, if you don't know, AI is equal to fake. I hope you understand. AI technically means fake. AI is not something sophisticated. AI is not something to be proud of. AI simply means fake. Do you understand that? Nobody is stopping you from buying the software or whatever you use AI for. I'm not asking you to stop using AI. It's up to you. I'm giving you the literal meaning of AI. AI is equal to fake. It's not real. Okay? I hope you understand. AI means fake. So you can generate. It might sound good in saying, oh, this is AI video, this is AI content, this is AI image. Technically, what it means, it's all fake. Okay, but that's the philosophy. Anyway, so you can ask Elon Musk to maybe create some testimonial for you, I guess, that this software is pretty cool, this and that. And let's see if he is talking. Yeah, he is talking. We're in business now. So go and check out this demo video for 5 minutes on the sales page in your free time. Then let's come back and talk about the funnel. It's pretty simple. 17, 18, 19, 20, I guess. So 1, 2, 3, 4 OTOs. OTOs are right here. Pick and choose. Okay, what happened? Let me maximize. Okay, so obviously in the front end in $15, you will not get everything. So you have to go and upgrade to unlimited version if you want to use the maximum, benefits of the software. So go and grab these OTOs, whatever you need. And also you can get bonuses. We forgot about that because I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. Okay, so you can see my bonus URL is linked with a sales page. So if you go and buy this from me, the bonuses will be automatically delivered. And if you want to know what my bonuses are and how you can get them and how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alright, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab key tracking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy. if you want it or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.